Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable push to talk and how you can change the keybind on push to talk. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in your game, then just click options, go to audio, and you're gonna see here voice chat, recording mode, push to talk, and you're gonna see now voice chat, push to talk, and just add like whatever you want. So that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I hope you're going to have a great day. And yeah, so again, options, audio, voice chat, push to talk, click on it, and just choose something else. Goodbye.